both ate the light. So urgent. So urgent for what? There's a double parker blocking traffic. There's a white SUV blocking traffic. I'll probably catch up to them anyway. This light's about to change. Well, that car's turning, so the white car I'm about to catch up to. You know, like people, people are searching and rush for what? Look, now I'm gonna go. More than likely, I'm gonna catch up to them. Oh, he's parking. That's why. That's that white SUV was parking. Look, they over there. He's still over there. There goes the other white car turning into his parking. You know. So anyway, so